Although the project wasn't always smooth sailing, and as with any project we hit a few unexpected road bumps along the way, Glenside were exceptional. They were always quick to offer solutions and go above and beyond to ensure that we adhered to our timeline and we completed the works on time.
Glenside really come in and work with us as a team. They're not prescriptive. They listen to us, and their design teams and their project management teams really took on board our vision and what we wanted to do with the space we had here. And one thing that I think that was very clear here is Glenside come with a very detailed proposal. You know, the team that we had, they were very open to us saying, that's a great idea, that's costing X, we cannot afford that. Can you give me some other options of doing things a bit differently? And they showed us various options to be able to manage our budget constraints, but also not hindering the vision that we've had.
They're a one-stop shop, so we're able to do our lab facilities, our technical facilities, our production areas and our office space as well. I would strongly recommend Glenside, one for their professionalism. Their response time is very, very good, and I think their understanding of the business is critical.
The project has run on time. Each phase has been calculated with our production team, and we've hit every single marker on that one as well, which has been great. The team at Glenside have been very flexible with us changing things on the fly. The teams have worked really well. Glenside have seamlessly come into the factory, set up for months on end, and the project has run 100%. The feedback from Aeros has been positive from start to finish. Obviously we're a production site. Working within building activities can be chaotic, but the guys have been really positive together and got through a lot of tricky stages through the project. To the point, the teams have been getting on excellent, and we get invited to the Glenside breakfast on a Friday morning, and we've been having a great time.
We would definitely recommend Glenside to other companies. They've been faultless throughout, and like I say, there's been barriers thrown up, but they've solved all them, kept us abreast of any changes at all times, and we're using them again in our existing facility, and we will use them again for the stage 2 fit out of this building as well. So definitely I would recommend Glenside.
So working with Glenside, they were very transparent about timelines and when exactly everything would be done and the work would be delivered. And we managed to deliver this in a short space of time, which when I'm actually speaking to people about, they're sometimes quite amazed on what the work we've done here when they've seen the before and the after.
I highly do recommend them for their professionalism, their creative ideas, their vision, but most of all, ensuring that the project ran smoothly. The proof is the wonderful showroom we've got in High Wycombe.